Modern agriculture machines that are at another level, part 10. Welcome to this video on drip irrigation machines. Agriculture is the backbone of many economies worldwide, and it plays a crucial role in feeding the growing population. However, with the increasing demand for food, water resources are under pressure. Inefficient use of water in agriculture is one of the major causes of water scarcity. This is where drip irrigation machines come in. Drip irrigation machines are a game changer when it comes to water-efficient farming. Unlike traditional irrigation systems, drip irrigation delivers water directly to the roots of the plants, minimizing water wastage and maximizing crop yields. With drip irrigation, farmers can save up to 50% of the water they could have used with traditional irrigation methods. In this video, we'll take an in-depth look at drip irrigation machines, how they work, and their benefits. We'll also explore the different types of drip irrigation machines available in the market, and the factors to consider when choosing the right one for your farm. So, whether you're a farmer, agricultural enthusiast, or simply interested in learning about farming machinery, you won't want to miss this video on drip irrigation machines. We'll cover everything you need to know to get started using this essential tool. Let's get started. Drip irrigation, or trickle irrigation, is a type of micro-irrigation system that has the potential to save water and nutrients by allowing water to drip slowly to the roots of the plants, either from above the soil surface or buried below the surface. The goal is to place water directly into the root zone and minimize evaporation. Drip irrigation systems distribute water through a network of valves, pipes, tubings, and emitters. Depending on how well designed, installed, maintained, and operated it is, a drip irrigation system can be more efficient than other types of irrigation systems, such as surface irrigation or sprinkler irrigation. History. Primitive drip irrigation has been used since ancient times. Fan Shengzi Shu, written in China during the 1st century BCE, describes the use of buried, unglazed clay pots filled with water, sometimes referred to as olas, as a means of irrigation. Modern drip irrigation began its development in Germany in 1860, when researchers began experimenting with surface irrigation, using clay pipe to create combination irrigation and drainage systems. The research was later expanded in the 1920s to include the application of perforated pipe systems. In the United States, the first drip tape, called dew hose, was developed by Richard Chapin of Chapin Watermatics in the early 1960s. Types of drip irrigation system. Drip irrigation works more effectively depending on how well designed they are. There are some variations of drip irrigation. They need a different installation process along with good maintenance service. Some types of drip irrigation are: number 1, porous soaker hose system. Porous soaker hose system is used in hedges, rows of shrubs, and garden beds. It is very easy to operate. This is made of recycled product such as automobile tires. It has numerous holes in it. Porous soaker hose has great durability. Its entire body has holes, and it sweats water, so roots are always moisturized no matter what the weather is outside. Number 2, emitter drip system. Emitter drip system is known for emitting small drops of water into the soil. They are good for landscape with shrubs. One major problem with the drip system is emitters get clogged up rapidly. During the winter, the emitter drip system gets hard to work with. It is best to avoid the system at that time. The best thing is hoses are evenly spaced, so your plants get water evenly. Throughout the garden, you will always be satisfied with the water supply. Number 3, Watermatic drip system. Among all of the drip irrigation systems, Watermatic drip system is the best. it helps to achieve water conservation, when on the other hand, it minimizes evaporation. In this system, micro spray heads are used best. This is very important for trees and flower beds. You can use this system in the place where our poor amount of water supply and use of recycled water. Number 4. Micro misting sprinkler. Micro misting sprinkler is built for vineyards and orchards. You can use it in backyards as well. This system is able to provide equal water in every root. The fake mist in it helps shallow roots to stay calm ever in sunny weather. This is why leaves always look fresh even in gloomy or hot weather. Your plants will never be dehydrated if you use this drip irrigation system. Uses of drip irrigation. You can easily use the drip irrigation in farms, commercial greenhouses, residential gardens. It can also be used where water scarcity is present. Drip irrigation can be effective for roots of crops and trees like coconut and grapes, berry, citrus, strawberries, sugarcane, cotton, maize, and tomatoes. For effective use, use mainline with a backflow converter. Hook up a controller with it. A filter also can be used. The filter will make sure that no extra particle will go into the tube without water. Connect a pressure regulator with it so that you can control the water supply. A good drainage system gives plants moisture and nutrients along with water. Water is the most important ingredient for plants. Equal water distribution makes it easy for plants to grow. Drip irrigation system ensures that all your plants get water equally. Make sure it is installed properly. Do not forget to use eco-friendly materials. All of these will give you a good gardening experience. Advantages of drip irrigation. The high efficiency of drip irrigation is not only produced by the equipment of drip irrigation, but also resulted from the two of main factors. A. The first factor is according to the water reaches to the plant roots with minimum evaporation and infiltration into the soil depth. B. The second factor is related to the water distributed according to the daily requirements for crop rather than tracking irrigation cycle. Furthermore, there are many advantages of drip irrigation such as 1. It can irrigate only a limited patch of soil. 2. It can be used with small quantities and low pressure. 3. It doesn't wet the plant leaves. 4. It can distribute the fertilizers with irrigation water, enriched irrigation. 5. It can be used the automatic techniques. 6. Limited evaporation of water. 7. Improve the quality and quantity of production. In addition, drip irrigation is suitable for all types of soil, certified agriculture, the conditions of available water, and the land shapes. Therefore, using drip irrigation system could obtain high productivity for different crops. For example, the productivity per hectare which is recorded of some region around the world. When comparing modern irrigation methods, drip or sprinkler, with surface irrigation method, furrow, to produce different crops. Disadvantages of drip irrigation system. The most important constraints of drip irrigation are the high primary cost and adoption of advanced techniques, which is required that the farmers acquire some of essential skills. Consequently, among the experiences, it turns out that most of farmers, they don't take the necessary precautions to complete projects. In addition, they lack the necessary skills to run drip irrigation equipment, which requires consultation of experts in the field. Figure 3 shows the process of disadvantages of drip irrigation. Furthermore, the drip irrigation has numerous disadvantages, such as emitter clogging. Compared with the sprinkler irrigation, water distribution into the soil is limited. Drip irrigation installation. Drip irrigation installation process requires time to install. But do not worry though, This installation process takes time. It does not cost much. You can spend only $300 to $750 and get this job done easily by an expert. You must hire effective workers to get this job done. Every plant needs a different amount of water, so the irrigation process should also be different. If you want to install the system, you just need to look for some pre-requirements to be done. Check legal requirements first, whether you are eligible to install this in your ground or not. If it is a temporary system, then it might need a time frame. Requirements are lighter in this case. Dividing your garden will give you different types of plants to get planted efficiently. Each plant needs a different amount of water, so know what your plant needs first. Designing the irrigation layout will give you a clear idea about your ground. You'll get a good idea about how deep your tubes can enter. Each drip tube serves a different area. If you have a large ground, then different pressures will be used. Connect it with your water supply system. Do not mess up between the water delivery methods. You must have to choose which one is the best type of irrigation system for you. Every garden soil is different, and that needs different types of nutrient. According to what you need and which one you can afford, you should go for that one. In conclusion, drip irrigation is a highly efficient and cost-effective method of watering crops that can improve crop yields while reducing water usage. The use of a drip irrigation machine can make the process even easier and more precise. If you're looking for an effective and efficient way to water your crops, consider investing in a drip irrigation machine. Not only will it save you time and money in the long run, but it can also help to conserve water and reduce your environmental impact. So, whether you're a farmer, a gardener, or a homeowner looking to water your lawn, drip irrigation machines are definitely worth considering. Thank you for watching.